We all have different fears in our lives. Whenever we go to the hospital or clinic for any medical reason, a small amount of nervousness increases in our body. Oppositely, in ancient times, there were some bizarre and shivering medical practices that banned in today's world. In this first video, we're going to see these spine-chilling medical procedures. Trephination. In olden times, whenever some person got possessed or got caught by some evil spirits, exorcism was done to reduce the effects on the patient. But when exorcism didn't work, then the patient was taken to the doctor. Trephination is the process that a doctor performs on the patient to get off the spirit. A hole was drilled in the patient's head. And the chilling part is that the person will be in a conscious state when a hole is drilled in his head. You can imagine that you are lying on a bed and someone is drilling a hole in your head. Totally nightmares. Lobotomy. This procedure gained popularity between 1940 and 1950. This practice is done on our front part of the brain, called the prefrontal cortex. Lobotomies were performed on the mentally ill patients. This lobotomy was also called an ice pick lobotomy. An ice pick and hammer were used to perform this surgery. An ice pick is used to poke the prefrontal cortex. An ice pick was pierced through the upper part of the eyes. Usually, this surgery takes 10 to 15 minutes to perform. Bloodletting. It was believed that any type of body pain that happens in human beings is caused by excess blood present in that part. So bloodletting is the technique in which small cuts are made in the patient's body area. Ounces of blood were removed from the patient's body to reduce the pain. In some cases, this is blood removed from the body. The patient's body becomes weak, or sometimes the person even dies, due to a loss of blood. It was only practiced until the 1950s. Xenotransplantation. In 1960, a scientist named Charles Brown was very fascinated by xenotransplantation, and inspired by this inspiration, he injected fluids from dogs and guinea pig extracts. By injecting these fluids into his body, severe side effects and infections developed in his body, which was the reason he died. Another person named Warreno believed that the combination of fluids from males and animal testicles slows down the aging process in humans. He believed that this process could reverse the aging process. He performed 13 surgeries in 4 years. So this was our first video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and hit the like button and subscribe for more.